Pumalag si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa akusasyon ng kapatid na si Senator Amy Marcos na gumagamit siya umano at ang first family ng droga. Hindi raw niya ate ang nakita sa TV. Ang sagot ng senadora dyan sa report ni Ivan Mayrina.
The lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister.
Pahayag yan ng Pangulo, isang linggo matapos akusahan na gumagamit ng droga ng kanyang kapatid na si Senador Amy Marcos.
Batid ko na nagda-drug siya!
Idinawit din ng senadora ang first family.
How do you respond to the drug use accusations made by no less than your sister, Senator Amy Marcos, against you and the first family? Sir, were you hurt by her accusations, and how do you explain these claims to the public?
It's anathema to me to talk about family matters generally in public. I do not like to. We do not like to show our dirty linen in public. I'll just say this much. For a while now, we've been very worried about my sister. When I say we, I'm talking about friends and family. And the reason that is because the lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister. And that view is shared by our cousins, our friends. Hindi siya yan. Hindi siya yan. So that's why we worry. So we are very worried about her. I hope she feels better soon.
Hindi na nabigyan pa ng pagkakataon ng media na malinaw kung anong ibig sabihin ng Pangulo sa pahayag na ito. Pero si Senadora Amy may sagot agad sa kapatid. Sabi niya, siya raw ito sabay hirit na kung ano-ano na ang nakikita ng kanyang ading o nakababatang kapatid sa Ilocano. Sabi pa ng senadora, patunayang mali siya at gusto raw niyang mali siya. Nang tanungin kung nagkausap na sila magkapatid, sinabi ng Pangulo na magkaiba na raw sila ng ginagalawang mundo, political man o personal. Ivan Mayrina nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.